Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Today I am here with a new mini album to share with you. I am using for this book my digital paper collection called Sweet Dreams Baby Girl. I also have a Sweet Dreams Baby Boy collection, so I'm gonna have those two linked below. And I have a full tutorial, full free tutorial for this book, which I'm going to be posting. Today, so make sure to come back to the channel and check that. And if you are a YouTube channel member, you already have access to all 4 videos as part of the tutorial, so I'm very excited to share this with you. So this book is available for sale, and also I am gonna have a pre-order option for this book. So if you're the first one to purchase the book, you will get exactly this book, but I will also be having probably, I think I marked 2 available for pre-order, so I will be making 2 more of these, and you can purchase the pre-order now, so those should be ready within a couple weeks. But yeah, oh, and the book will be pretty much identical to this, minus probably I'll probably change the pearls, change the little thing here on the front, but for the most part it will be pretty much identical to this. So now let's go ahead and take a look at this book. So this book measures 8.5 by 8.5, and it has a 3.5-inch spine. And again, using my baby Sweet Dreams Baby Girl collection, I just love this back page here, so you can make exactly the same tutorial using the baby boy collection as well. So now let's go ahead and take a look inside. So there's a couple places that I still need to finish adding paper, but if you purchase this book, just know that those pages will be finished. I just have to reprint a couple more of the design pages. So on the first 2 pages here, these are my newborn pages, or my welcome baby pages. So on the tutorial I am counting these as page 1, meaning month 1, but I decided, and you'll see that on the tutorial, to actually start adding my bubbles on the next page, because I do have 12 pages all the way until the end, and I decided to have these main 2 first pages for either baby shower pictures, ultrasound pictures, welcome home baby, or baby in the hospital. So you always have a lot more pictures during this first month before the baby turns 1. So over here we have more of these beautiful flowers. I have some bling up there, and then this page opens up like that. And on the digital paper, you will see that I have some background pages like these, as well as some main design pages. And then I am using some pink cardstock to complement some of the pages. I didn't use a lot of that, but this is the blush pink color, and I think it goes really well with the paper collection here. So over here I have some cupcakes, and then this close up like that. Then over here we have the beautiful teddy bear, and then you can kind of just personalize this if you like to add a name, or if you wanted to add a note. This opens up here. I will be adding paper over here, but this mainly is just place for pictures. This opens to the side, and then this opens to the side here again, and over here I have a page full of beautiful teddy bears and balloons, because we are so very happy to welcome the baby. The book has 6 signatures, and I am using my Easy Hinge system, so this will be a really easy tutorial to follow compared to my previous baby books that I have done in the past, and it's been such a long time, so I'm very happy that I finally got to play with this new collection. So over here we start with the months sections. So I do have a layer of chipboard on the back to create a little bit of volume. So this opens down here, and then over here we have just a small little waterfall. This will fit 4 by 3 pictures, or 4 by 3.5, and then we have more of that beautiful little bear. And then over here we have the 2-month page. We have a cascading page there, and then this opens up, and we have some background balloons here. This opens up again, and then again with the beautiful backgrounds, and then just a sweet little bear here again. And then on the next page we have the 3 months. Now this page was designed to have the beautiful elephant on the center, but you can definitely use these sort of frame of flowers and add your baby's picture right there as well. And then here we have the 3-month bubble, and this is a spinning page, so this opens like that, and more places for pictures there. Over here we have the 4 months, and then this page opens to the side like that, and then it opens here again, and then we have places for pictures. And then over here we have a little secret pocket and a beautiful tag. This is perfect to add like baby weights, notes for the baby, just all kinds of different things, or pictures of course. And then you can also add more pictures and more photo mats in there as well. Over here we have the 5 months. We have the sweet little bear flying on this airplane. This opens up like that, and we have a fun pop-up page here, and then of course places for pictures as well. Then we get to the 6-month page, and again you can add a picture there. I have some little bling in there, and then this opens up, and then it opens down. I love this page with the sweet little dress and the shoes, and then a lot of room for pictures here. And also you have a belly band where you can add more photo mats there as well, and that closes up like that. Then over here we have a pocket, so again sweet little bear, and then this comes out, and then we have over here a booklet. So this measures 7 by 6, so it's quite large there. And then over here we have a little accordion fold. I'm gonna open it and just show you. So here's the 7-month bubble, and then you have room for little pictures there as well. And then we're gonna move right along to the 8 months, and we have a sweet little bear here sleeping, and some more bling. And then over here we have some elephants, and then I am going to be adding some more of the pink cardstock there to finish this up, but I added some of the design here on the border, and I'm gonna print more pages to put in there. And then over here we have the sweet little friends, the teddy bear friends, and then the elephants, they're celebrating. So lots of room for pictures. If you are making this book, you can always just put solid cardstock here, so you can add more pictures and not cover the design paper. Then here we have the 9 months, and so we have again the beautiful bear. I think this page is so pretty for like a baptism, because she has her dress over here and her shoes, so ready to go. And this is a sliding page there, so place for pictures, and it magnetizes in place. Then we have the 10th month, again so pretty, and then this is a pull down waterfall, so lots of room for pictures over here. And I just added a little bit of the paper, but mainly all of that space for pictures, and a really pretty background page, which is the same as this one. And then we get to the 11 and 12 months. So over here on the 11 months, I added more of these flowers. Again, you can put a picture here, and then this opens up like that, and it opens like this, and then these two open here. And we'll be putting some of that pink cardstock there, but mainly over here I was thinking you can add photo mats or cards, and then just gonna tack everything in place right there. And then this is the last page, which is the 12 months or 1 year, and I put a cute little cupcake, wooden cupcake there. And then this opens to the side, and then this opens to the side again, so a lot of room for pictures, and I did a lot of the cupcake pages and there, and the beautiful elephant. Of course, you can put here a picture of the baby's first birthday, and of course the baby is gonna be eating cake, and that's why I put all these cupcake pictures there. And so there you go, that is the Sweet Dreams Baby Girl collection and the album to go with it. I hope you guys like the walkthrough. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I've been wanting to do a tutorial for this collection for the longest time, and I'm finally ready. So I'm gonna have to link to that down below as well, at least the first part that should be posting at the same time I'm posting this video. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.